And in this video, I will talk about the summary table, and this time I would actually focus on the different risk score, on the column of risk score. So first of all, what is risk score? The score over here, it's not the higher the better it is, but the opposite. The lower the risk score is, the better it is. This means that if you get here the number 0, that means all the resources test on that control were found okay, were found negative, and if you get a higher number than 0, in this case it's number 92, so that means we found many resources out of the resources that were tested who failed. You can see over here there's the column of the all resources which tell you the number of how many resources were tested, and the failed resources who tell you how many resources failed. Now there's another status called irrelevant. The irrelevant status means that we did not, the control was not tested because it's not relevant for testing this control. And I'll give you an example. The exposed dashboard control, this control tests that my Kubernetes dashboard is not exposed to the public. Now, since I do not have a Kubernetes dashboard installed in my cluster, so obviously it's irrelevant testing if it's exposed to the public or not. So this is why this exposed dashboard is irrelevant. Now, there's another type of there's another status that's called skipped. Now, the skipped, the reason a control can have the status skipped is there are different various reasons. So therefore, we added the info column, and over here you can see that there's sometimes 2 stars or sometimes only 1 star, and in the bottom of the summary table we explain exactly for each one of them why is it skipped. So over here you can see, let's say, some of my controls were skipped because I scanned Kubescape without the enable whole scan flag. So for solving this problem, I simply can scan Kubescape with the enable whole scan, and these controls would not be skipped next scanning.